Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you the whole tour of the Ramoji Film City, which is divided into episodes, as it's very vast to cover the whole studio in a single video. Now let's get the tickets. The cost of the ticket is 1350 plus taxes, so it will be around 1593 per adult, and for children it will be around 1150 plus taxes. These videos will be interesting and very much informative about the studio. Ramoji Film City is spread over 1,666 acres, and it's the largest film studio in the world, and it's the holder of the Guinness World Records. It was built in the year 1996 and more than 10,000 films have been already shot over here. I'll cover each and every detail in this series of episodes, so watch the videos till the end. If you like these kind of videos, please do subscribe to the channel. After taking the ticket, the bus will leave you at a place called Eureka, or we can say the starting point. From there, we need to take another bus, but before boarding the bus, let's go to the Wild West studio, which is also a cowboy setup type of studio. Here everything looks very real. You will feel like you are in another place over here. Now let's board the bus and I'll tell you about each and every place and which movie was shot over there. So to the right side there is a palace set where Jodha Akbar movie was shot. To the left side there is a two temple garden which is famous for birthday parties and some functions. If you look, there is a fountain in the middle of the road, which is the largest fountain in the Ramoji Film City. To the left side, a garden named Limelight Garden is there, in which they shot some old movie named Pandavalu Pandavalu Tummeda, and even Shah Rukh Khan's Dilwale movie's climax was shot over here. Over here, the hero and heroine walking scenes are shot over here. If you look straight, there is a fountain named Jug Fountain. Here Krish 3 movies statue scene was shot. If you look to the right side, there is a large palace which is used in many movies like Chandramukhi, and Amitabh Bachchan's Suryavanshi movie was shot over here. If you look at the left, there is a replica of Golden Temple and Gurudwara. Keep going and look at the left. Then there is a replica of Taj Mahal set. Now let's go to the Mumbai Chor Bazaar, where each and every market scenes are shot. This is the market where movies like Chennai Express, Chinatown, Singham 3 and Golmaal 3 etc. movies were shot. To the right, there is a police station of Singham. To your left, the green color house was the house of Shah Rukh Khan in Dilwale movie. This is the place where Chandramukhi's lover Gunashekar stayed in the movie. This location is used as village locations by putting some red soil in the place, And recently Pushpa movie was shot over here. To the right side, there is Enadu and Ramoji offices. To the left side, there is a lake where Bahubali movie's lake scenes were shot. Those are large indoor studio floors. To the right side, where they install sets and shoot. Now let's go to the central jail, where all the jail scenes are shot. Movies like Triple R, DJ Tillu, Tere Naam, Police Giri, etc. movies were shot over here. You'll feel like you have entered a real jail. Now let's go and see the mythological set. Here you can know about each and everything. If you enjoyed watching the video, please do subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Hit the like button so that it can reach many people. Comment down in the description if you have any doubts or if you enjoyed watching the video. Share this video with your friends and family. I will see you in the next episode.